Okay, so to fold the pants, I want to show you because it's quite complicated with all the folds of material. So you actually want to lay them down on their back and set it out, smooth everything out. There's 2 folds in the back, so get those. And then you're going to flip it over and get your ties out of the way. You'll need those in a second. And then you just have to kind of fix all the material and keep your folds in order. And that takes a little bit to kind of learn the material and how it all seats in there and all the material underneath, getting it adjusted. And this is good to do. I don't like to put my pants away or my hakamas without having them properly folded. It keeps everything just neat and tight. So just really take your time smoothing everything out. Then you're going to take your top tie on one side and lay it down to about the bottom of the pants and then double it back. And then you're going to fold your first fold over so that it's even with your plate, your back plate will go on your back. All right? Then you do the same thing over here. Take the top tie, fold it down, double it back, and fold this end. Keeping everything so it looks like that. Then you're going to fold the bottom, a small fold up, kind of tidy things up if you need to from the back. Right? Again, another fold. Everything's good. Another fold. And then you're going to take the top and fold it down. I'm going to make that just a little bit smaller fold. Really good. There we go. And then turn it over, and you're going to take your back ties, crisscross, and tie them up like so, and they're ready to put away. Alright, then to fold your gi top, I like to line up my ties underneath so there's not any bumps. Kind of smooth out, line my ties up. And it's folded much like a judo top. So you're going to fold the sleeve in at the shoulder and then double back about where your elbow would be. And then fold the entire jacket over so that your sleeve is just over on the other shoulder. Okay, smooth everything out. Same thing over here, fold at the shoulder, double back about where the elbow would be, and fold back in on top of itself. And then this goes 2 folds up, 1 and 2, and you're done.